Hi everyone, it's Math with AUB. Let me give you a good idea how to determine whether the given set is a group or not a group. For normal group, we need four properties. Number one, it must satisfy the clear property that most of the cases it is given to us. It is known as algebraic structure. Some call it binary operation. Some people call it is a clear property. It is closed with respect to it is given to us. Mostly algebra addition, under multiplication, under division, subtraction, while some gives us new pseudo type of binary operation. Binary operation mostly given to us. Number one, clear property. Number two, it must satisfy associative property. Each element must have an inverse and identity element. Normally, under addition, our identity is 0, and in case of numbers, 1 is the identity under multiplication. Let's see and find out how we can handle anything that is given to us. Now, define a binary operation in Q. Q means rational numbers. How binary operation is defined? A steric B. A steric B is equal to 4 times AB. 4 times AB. Now it is given to us. We have to follow this one. Whether to find inverse, identity, satisfy associative law, or commutative. We have to follow this one. We have to follow this one. Our first one is we have to show that 1 upon 4 is the identity. 1 upon 4 is the identity. What is the definition of identity? Identity is given by in abstract algebra or in group theory A star E or E star A always leads to A. That is the definition of identity, where E is our identity. E. A star E or E star A is equal to E. Follow this according to this. Follow this. This is the definition, and this is clear property given to us. Follow this and find the value of E. So here we have A times E. According to this literature, instead of B, I have to write E. Instead of B, I have to write E. It will become 4 times AE. 4 times AE. How to find E? In that case, we have to prove that 1 upon 4 is the identity. 1 upon 4 is the identity. So it is equal to A. Solve for E. It's equal to A over 4A. Cancelled out. Our E is going to be 1 upon 4. That's the definition of identity. A star E star A is equal to A. Clear property is given to us. A steric B is equal to 4 times AB. Whatever is given to us, follow this. Follow this. Follow this. Don't do anything from your own side. That is given. Abstract algebra, modern mathematics, follow this one. This is our identity by definition. Now we have to prove that 1 upon 12 is inverse of 3 upon 4 or 3 upon 4 is inverse of 1 upon 4. Really very easy. What is definition of inverse? Inverse is given by, inverse mostly denoted by A dash, A steric A dash or A dash steric A, it's always equal to identity. A inverse A, it's also equal to A. Now we have to prove that 1 upon 12, it's our A. Let me put here 1 upon 12 steric A dash is equal to E. E is given to us. We have just found out that's 1 upon 4. How to remove steric? It is given to us. It is given to us. Value of A in that case is 1 upon 12. Value of A is 1 upon 12 instead of B, right? A dash. So we have 4 times 1 upon 12 A dash is equal to 1 over 4. Applying table of 3, 4, 3 times A dash over 3 is equal to 1 over 4. A dash is equal to 3 over 4. So inverse of 1 upon 12 is 3 over 4. 3 over 4. One can verify whether our inverse is correct or incorrect. One can easily verify. A times, sorry, A steric A dash always leads to identity. A or A is 1 upon 12. Steric, what is A inverse? 3 over 4. What is our identity? 1 over 4. How to remove steric? How to remove steric? It is given to us. 4 times AB. 4 times AB means 4 times 1 over 12 times 3 over 4. 4 cancelled out. Apply table of 3. It will become 1 upon 4. A is equal to 1 upon 4. It is the tiny concept of behind this. How this is definition of identity. Inverse clear property is given to us. Then the fourth property requirement for inverse group is associative law. A steric B, steric C, A steric bracket B steric C. It is the case. Start from left side. First operate A and B. Whatever the result is, operate with C. And here First operate BC, whatever the result is, operate with A. Both these requirements must meet, both sides must be equal. These are the four requirements for a group. These are the four requirements for a group. Collier property, identity, inverse, and associative law. It's my tiny effort to you. Whatever I have next for you, it's big surprise for you. It's all by itself. Next.